Okay, system function number 90. If you want to restore this to the original settings, you want to delete everything and start all over again. If you're having a big major problem, you may want to do this. But to go back to factory settings, what you want to do is go here and hit the fan and the up button. You want to hold it for about 2-3 seconds. Then you want to go, you can hit the back or next. I'm gonna go back since it's gonna go straight to 90. And what I have right now, no, is 0. If I want to restore it, I go here and hit done. Be careful, you have to start all over again. So I'm gonna just keep it at no and hit done. And that's all to it.